Yes, so I'm on my way to get my Flow TV self-installation kit. I'm a little bit nervous, just a little bit, I can't lie, because I'm used to the technicians coming in here and doing an amazing job, but I'm gonna get it done. Fingers crossed, let's go. So I went today to get the self-installation kit from Flow, and to be honest, I was really a little bit nervous, a little bit anxious, because I'm used to the technicians, coming in here and doing an amazing job. So this is the first time I was to do it on my own, but guess what? It was super easy, it was super simple, oh my goodness. So definitely go ahead and get yours from Flow today, like right now, like now.